So guys, if you didn't know, my dad loves chicken, so that's why we have made chicken today for Father's Day. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are making crispy chicken. Let's get started. So now we will do the chicken first. Chicken, black pepper, turmeric powder, pink salt, half a lemon. For the coating, plain flour, ginger powder, salt, garlic powder, yogurt, cold water. Add salt and pepper according to your taste. Pink salt, turmeric powder, black pepper, squeeze half a lemon. Oops, not the seeds! Add the yogurt. Add plain flour. Now garlic powder, ginger powder, and some salt. Now follow the method for our chicken. So guys, if you have leftover flour, please don't waste it. We will make another video of what to do with the flour. As you can see, the chicken is very soft, very juicy, and very tender. And you can decorate it any way you like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, share, and subscribe. Hold on, comment below, and have a wonderful day. Bye! Stay chickeny and have a lovely Father's Day.